Hi students, yesterday class I explained a resonance effect. A resonance effect. Before going to explain resonance effect, I am explain three types of systems. They are first one cumulative system. Second one conjugative system. Third one isolated system. Cumulative system means serial double bonds, CH2 double bond, C double bond, C double bond, C double bond, CH2 like that. It is the cumulative system. Serial double bonds, double bond, double bond, double bond, double bond. Conjugative system means alternate double bonds, CH2 double bond, CH single bond, CH double bond, CH2. Alternate double bonds, it is the conjugative system. Isolated system means CH2 double bond, CH double bonds separated with CH2 groups, alkyl groups. It is the isolated system. Here very important, conjugative system. Cumulative system means serial double bonds. Conjugative system means alternate double bonds. Isolated system means double bonds separated with CH2 groups. Now, if conjugation is present, a resonance effect is possible. Conjugation means is a double bond, sigma bond, pi bond. It is a sigma bond, it is the pi bond. In this second case, conjugation pi electrons with pi electrons. Conjugation pi electrons with pi electrons are lone pairs. These two electrons collectively called as lone pairs. Lone pairs with pi electrons. Before I am explaining resonance effect, first you have idea about that conjugative mechanism. Conjugative mechanism means this pi electrons with pi electrons, lone pairs with pi electrons. Next, actual resonance effect, simple definition is delocalization of pi electrons with positive charge, negative charge, lone pairs, unpaired electrons. It is very important concept. Delocalization of pi electron means transfer of pi electrons. Delocalization of pi electrons with positive charge, negative charge, lone pairs means pair of electrons, unpaired electrons, single electrons. Now we may explain these conditions. First one, here total 4 cases are there. Delocalization of pi electrons with positive charge. Now I am explaining first case, CH2 double bond, CH2 plus. It is the pi bond to pi electrons, it is the positive charge. Delocalization of pi electrons with positive charge. Already you know, positive charge means it is the electron deficient. Pi electron means more electron density. Pi electrons, lone pairs, minus charge. It is the more electron density. Now pi electron, more electron density means delocalization of this pi electrons from here to here. How you read that resonance structure? Here this pi electron transferred here to here means electron density on this carbon decreases. That's why here I am writing CH2 plus. Double bond is converted into single bond, CH. This pi electron transferred here means single bond is converted into double bond, CH2. It is a forward. Again, what is the backward? Here positive charge. Again here pi electrons means this pi electron transferred here. Before that, you remember this point. Sometimes I am indicate this type of arrow mark, sometimes I indicate this type of arrow mark. This arrow mark indicates migration of two electrons. Migration of two electrons. It is the curly arrow mark. Heterolytic fusion takes place. This type of arrow mark indicates migration of only one electron. Homolytic fusion takes place. It is a Fishhook arrow mark. This arrow mark indicates migration of only one electron. This arrow mark indicates migration of two electrons, like that. In this migration, this type of arrow mark indicates minus charge. This type of mark indicates plus charge. That's why this pi electron transfer here, single bond is converted into double bond. Here double bond is converted into single bond. This carbon gets plus charge. Next, second case. First case, pi electrons with positive charge. Second one, pi electrons with negative charge. CH2 double bond, CH2 minus. Again, minus means more electron density only. That's why this minus charge transfer here, single bond character is converted into double bond. In the time this pi electron transferred on this carbon atom. This pi electron transferred here means this carbon getting negative charge, CH2 minus. Double bond is converted into single bond, CH. This minus charge transfer here means this single bond character is converted into double bond, CH2. It is the forward. Again backward, it is the negative charge, more electron density. Again pi electron transferred here means again backward, single bond character converted into here double bond. Again this pi electron transferred here means this CH2 gets minus charge. It is the second case. Next to third one, CH2 double bond, CH2, CHCl, CH2 double bond, CHCl. This compound name is the vinyl chloride. Vinyl chloride. Already you know double bond carbon hybridization sp2, double bond carbon hybridization also sp2. Serial to sp2 carbons. It is the vinylic carbon. Vinylic carbon attached with Cl. It is the vinyl chloride. Already you know chlorine 7th group elements. Total number of electrons around the chlorine 7. Now left side they have one bond means one electron. Still need 6 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now around that Cl total number of electrons are 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Because of chlorine belongs to 7th group element. In this case, conjugation is present pi electrons with lone pair of electrons. Pi electrons with lone pair of electrons. Lone pairs are also delocalized, more electron density. This lone pair of electrons transfer here, single bond character is converted into double bond. In the time this pi electron transferred here. What is the resonance structure, students? CH2 minus, double bond is converted into single bond, CH, single bond Cl character is converted into double bond Cl. These two electron transferred here means this single bond character is converted into double bond. Here the loss of lone pair of electron means they are getting positive charge, remaining these two lone pairs as usual. Here conjugation is present pi electrons with lone pair of electrons. Last case, student, pi electrons with unpaired electrons. Last case, fourth one, example CH2 double bond, CH2 free radical means unpaired electron. It is different. How electron transferred in this case? Here one electron only, this one electron transfer here. Here I am indicate this type of arrow mark. This arrow mark indicates transfer of only one electron, homolytic fusion. Now here two electrons, this one electron only transferred here. Means this carbon CH2 have free radical. Two electrons only, single electron transfer here. Still one more electron is there. CH2 free radical. Double bond character converted into single bond CH. Here one electron transferred, here one electron transferred. Means total two electrons. Double bond CH2. Here conjugation is there, pi electrons with lone pair of electrons. Now total 4 systems are there, students. Conjugation pi electrons with positive charge, conjugation pi electrons with negative charge, conjugation pi electrons with lone pair of electrons, conjugation pi electrons with unpaired electron, free radical. If you know these 4 cases, very easy resonance effect. Now second year, first chapter, halogen compounds, alkyl halides and haloarides. Alkyl halides and haloarides. Now I am going to explain chlorobenzene. If you know that previous 4 systems, very easy this resonance structures. Benzene attached with Cl. This compound name is the chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene. See this side. Now chlorine is the 7th group element. Again, how many electrons, students? Total 7. Chlorine, they have already 1 electron. Still need how many electrons? 6 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just before I am explain what is the conjugation. Here also conjugation is present. Conjugation present between these 2 electron means lone pairs. It is a sigma bond. Double bond. It is a sigma bond. It is the pi bond. Means here conjugation is present. Lone pairs with pi electron. Here one most important point. In this case, 2 effects are possible, students. Inductive effect as well as resonance mesomeric effect. So inductive effect to mesomeric effect both possible. Mesomeric effect only more predominated than inductive effect. Inductive effect to mesomeric effect both are possible. Which effect is predominated, students? Mesomeric effect is more predominated because of it is the carbon Cl. Already you know Cl is the more electronegative. It is electron attracts from that carbon atom. It is the inductive effect. Already you know inductive effect which electrons are involved, students? Only sigma electrons. Already you know sigma bond is a strong bond. Here what is the mesomeric effect? This lone pair of electrons transferred here. In that time this pi electrons shifted towards the adjacent carbon atom. Now withdrawing sigma electrons easy na, donating lone pairs easy na, donating lone pairs only easy because of it is the weak electrons. Withdrawing sigma electrons is very hard because of it is the strong bond. Already know sigma bond is the strong bond. That's why inductive effect to be and mesomeric effect both are possible. Which one is the predominated? Mesomeric effect only more predominated than inductive effect. Now I am going to explain resonance structures. See here, students. These 2 pi bonds as usual, that only I am writing here. These pi electrons transferred here means this carbon getting negative charge. Now this lone pair transferred here means single bond Cl character is converted into double bond Cl. These 2 lone pairs as usual, one lone pair. This one lone pair to form pi bond here. That's why here loss of one lone pair. That's why here I am writing plus charge. First resonance structures. If you know this arrow marks is very easy this concept. This pi electron transferred here, this carbon gets a negative charge. These 2 pi bonds as usual. This lone pair of electron transferred here means single bond Cl character is converted into double bond Cl. These 2 lone pairs as usual. Here loss of 2 electron means Cl getting which charge? Positive charge. Look at the both side. Here conjugation is there. Minus charge with pi electrons. Again minus means more electron density only, no? This minus charge transfer here, single bond character is converted into double bond. Again this pi electron transfer towards to adjacent carbon atom. So pi bond. Here which charge, students? Minus charge. This pi electron transferred here, minus charge, double bond Cl as usual, lone pair, here plus charge. Next, minus charge means again more electron density only. Again this minus charge transfer here, single bond character is converted into double bond. This pi electron transfer towards adjacent carbon atom. This pi bond as usual. This minus charge transfer here means single bond character is converted into double bond. Here minus charge, double bond Cl, lone pair, here positive charge. Again here minus charge means more electron density. Again this minus charge transfer here, single bond character is converted into double bond. This pi electron shifted towards chlorine side. Again which structure is formed, students? Chlorobenzene. Again what they are formed? Chlorobenzene. Here new pi bond is formed. This pi bond transfer here means that double bond character is converted into single bond Cl. These 2 lone pairs as usual. This pi bond transfer to chlorine means this chlorine have still 2 lone pair of electrons. Now first structure and last structure same to same. It is the chlorobenzene resonance structure. Why chlorobenzene involved in resonance means reason is here conjugation present between lone pairs with pi electrons. One most important point before that in competitive exam you try to remember three positions: ortho position, meta position, para position. Listen students, 1 2 positions are ortho position, 1 3 positions are meta position, 1 4 positions are para positions. Please try to remember this one. 1 2 positions ortho position, 1 3 position meta position, 1 4 positions are para positions. Ortho, meta and para. See here students, for example, it is the benzene ring. Here they have any substituent or functional group. Adjacent positions, it is 1, it is 2. It is 1, it is 2. Adjacent positions, either this side, either this side. 1 2 1 2. It is the ortho position. Ortho position. 1 2 3. 1 3. It is the meta position. It is also meta position. 1 2 3 4. Opposite position, para position. Either you try to remember 1 2 ortho, 1 3 meta, 1 4 para. One more method, adjacent position, either this side, ortho position. Opposite positions, para position. 1 2 3, 1 2 3 meta position. Yes. Now I am explain one most important point. Chlorobenzene, Cl electron donates to benzene ring. Because of Cl have lone pair of electrons, more electron density. Cl only electron donates to benzene ring. That's why electron density on benzene ring increases. That is the reason only benzene ring they have which charge students? Negative charge. Which position? Ortho and para positions. Just before I am explaining what is the ortho, meta and para position. Once you observed 1 2. It is the 1 2 positions. What is the position students? Ortho position. 1 2 3 4. 1 4 position. What is the positions? Para position. Here left side numbering students. 1 2 it is also adjacent position. 1 2 what is the position? Ortho position. So final what you remember? Chlorobenzene involved in resonance. Chlorobenzene involved in resonance. Ortho and para positions getting which charge? Negative charge. Ortho and para positions getting negative charge. Ortho position and para positions getting negative charge. So electrophile, already I am explained electrophile. So electrophile attack at which position? Ortho and para position. So electrophile attack at ortho and para position. Finally try to remember this statement. Chlorobenzene involved in resonance. Ortho para positions getting which charge? Negative charge. So electrophile attack at which position? Ortho and para position. Means it is the ortho para directing group. Now chlorobenzene is which directing group students? Ortho and para directing group. Try to remember this point. Now I am explaining just two examples. Already you know halogens chapter. For example, it is the chlorobenzene. Just before I am explaining chlorobenzene involved in resonance. 2 ortho positions, 1 para positions getting negative charge. Now chlorobenzene involved in halogenation. Already this reagent is there, benzene chapter, halogenation. Halogenation reagent is the chlorine in presence of Lewis acid. Any Lewis acid, anhydrous FeCl3, AlCl3. Halogenation reaction, electrophile is the Cl plus. Halogenation, what is the electrophile students? Cl plus. Chlorobenzene involved in resonance. Ortho and para positions getting which are students? Negative charge. Halogenation reaction, what is the electrophile students? Cl plus. Now this Cl plus attack on chlorobenzene in which position students? One time attack on ortho position. That's why what is the product students? Benzene attached with Cl, chlorobenzene. Now this Cl plus attack on which position? Ortho position. That's why here ortho position writing Cl. 1 comma 2 dichlorobenzene or ortho dichlorobenzene plus another one time Cl minus Cl plus attack at which position? Para position. What are the one more product? Benzene Cl para position means 1 4 only, no? Para dichlorobenzene or 1 comma 4 dichlorobenzene. Here what is the important point? Why here possible to write ortho and para isomers means chlorobenzene involved in resonance, ortho position and para position is getting negative charge. So this electrophile attack one time ortho position, one time para position. That's why only product ortho dichlorobenzene and para dichlorobenzene. Just one more example I am explaining. You only say answer. Already you know Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Alkylation reagent is the alkyl halide in presence of Lewis acid. Any alkyl halide in presence of Lewis acid, it is the Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Generally I am taking one example. What is the alkyl halide? CH3Cl, methyl chloride, alkyl halide in presence of Lewis acid, anhydrous FeCl3. Alkylation reaction electrophile is the alkyl carbocation. Here methyl group is the alkyl group. That's why electrophile is in this reaction CH3 plus. Now this is CH3 plus again attack on chlorobenzene in which position, students? One time attack on ortho position, again one time attack on para position. Benzene attacks with Cl. One time the CH3 plus group attack on which position? Ortho position. That's why ortho position what I am writing here CH3 chlorobenzene. Again one time the CH3 plus attack on which position? Para position. Para position CH3. That is the reason chlorobenzene remaining all the reaction Friedel-Crafts acylation, nitration, sulfonation, which products are formed, students? Ortho and para products because of electrophile attack on ortho position and para positions. Okay, it is the chlorobenzene. I have that understood how write that chlorobenzene resonance structures. Why electrophile attack on ortho position and para position I am explaining detail. I will give some examples for homework. Next second chapter phenols, alcohols and phenols. Second year syllabus second chapter alcohols and phenols. Benzene attached with OH. Now these are test yourself questions. You only practice how write this resonance structures. Phenol, alcohols, phenols. After then ethers. Already you know ether means COC. Benzene attached with OCH3, ether. This compound name is the anisole. Some more example I am explaining related to second year. Next one is the aniline.